Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can freeze rows in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, it works actually the same way as freezing columns. If you know how to freeze columns, this is how you do it with rows. So in your spreadsheet, right click into the given row you'd like to make the lowermost of your frozen list. So let me freeze everything up to row number 4, right click into it, over mouse over view, more row actions, and select freeze up to row 4. And you will see then that divider here, for example, right, that gray divider, and you can actually move it. As you can see, if you hover mouse over it, you will see that hand cursor, so you can change the position of that freeze or freeze feature. And that's how you do it. So you can do the same with columns, of course, right? So you probably already know that. And now everything up to row number 4 and column number C. And the entire data has been frozen. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.